Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to download some video files from YouTube and then convert them into MP3 audio files to use as sound clips or audio samples in your own personal video files. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is download the video converter software first. So just type in video converter into Google and you'll have a couple options come up here. The one you want to go to though is called FreeMake Video Converter. So just click on this here and it'll bring you to their website. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is download the software. So if you just Google FreeMake Video Converter and click on their website here, and you can then download the software just by clicking download, and it'll start to download for you. You'll see it down the bottom here, or whatever way you download in your browser. Wait till that downloads and open software, and you should install the software as you normally would any kind of software. Okay, so once your software is installed properly, this is your main page you're going to see that's going to come up. What you have here are different tabs. One is for video, audio, DVD, photo, and paste URL. Down the bottom you have a couple of options in which you can convert your video files into different formats. So for example, we have YouTube, we have different sound formats like MP3, MP4, anything you want, it's all there. Okay, so before that you're going to want to download a video file first to convert. So you just go to YouTube as you normally would and type in what you'd like to download. Okay, so you are looking for a video file that has audio in it, but you want to transfer that, so you want to just keep the actual sound file, say for another film you're making, to use as a sample, for example, layer over it. So I'm going to just pick this one of a cow mooing just as one to show you. So I'll click into that and it will just play the file for me. Now as you can see, it's actually a video file rather than sound file, but I want to just convert that to sound rather than film video file. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to copy the URL here by left clicking on your laptop and copy. Then you want to come up and you want to open a piece of software called KeepVid. You just type in KeepVid to Google and it should come up for you. What you want to do then is, you can see here there's a URL box, so you just want to copy and paste that URL you copied previously into it and then click download. Okay, it'll come up here and you'll see a couple of different options. It'll say download MP4, so you just click download MP4 and it will start to download your video file, as you can see down here on the bottom, and you just wait for that file to download into your desktop, wherever or whatever kind of folder you normally use to save your video files. Okay, once your file is downloaded and now you want to convert that video file to an MP3, you want to open up your FreeMake file converter like we previously downloaded. Now you want to click on video. This is for the video you've downloaded. It'll start to look for it by searching in your desktop for it. So wherever you've saved it, in my case I've saved it on the desktop, so I'm just going to search for that. Okay, so when you found where your video file is stored, you just click on it and click open, and you'll see it start to paste into the software editing suite here we have in front of us. Now you can see it's come up here, and it's still at this stage at an MP4 video file. But what we would like to do is we'd actually like to change it to MP3 because we want to use just the audio. So how we do that is we click down here in the option. We have a couple of different options. One is MP3. MP3 is the usual type of sound file that is used for most things. So we're just going to click on that. Now it's giving us a couple of options here. You can see kilobytes. But this is just to do with sound quality, so we're going to pick the highest. We're going to save it to a place where we have so previously. I'm just going to save it on desktop. Then you want to go and you want to click convert. Now you'll see a conversion page has after open up, and it gives us the progress of it down on the bottom here. So we just basically wait till that video file is converted into an MP3 file, and it doesn't take long. Okay, so now our file has been converted from a video file previously to an MP3 that we have here. So if we just compare the two files, okay, so now you see here's our file previously, which was a video MP4 file, but now it's been converted into an audio file, which is MP3s, which is just purely sound. So we can open that and play it. So now you can see our video file has been transferred purely into a sound file. So what we can do then is we can use that in our video projects if we want to use it as an audio sample. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bright ideas.